All right, so we're ready to start coding this up, and I'm going to go over to WebStorm, create a new folder, right-click up there, new directory, and O26 hands-on solution. And then in here, I'm going to create a new folder, and O1, and then I could just create an index.html in there, new index.html, and then I could close that, and I'm just going to copy this. Oops, copy this one and then paste it. Command C, Command V, O2, Command V, O3, Command V, O4, and I think there were 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. Cool. Now we're ready for the first one, and the first one is right here. And so I could just, we'll do it this way the first time through. Yeah, all over the place. All right, there we go. Header, section, article, aside, footer. Header, and hello world, section, article, and header, section, article, and some, and in the article I could do H1. This is the article title, and I could do P, and then lorem and tab. So I typed lorem right there and hit tab and code completion. And so there's my section, and then aside and footer. Aside plus footer gives me on the same level. And aside, some advertisement. And then footer is address. How do you spell address? There we go. And contact me anchor. And what would we do? www.mcclouds.com. And Todd McLeod. That's my mom's website. It's old. She's going to retire soon, so I haven't updated it. And I'll take the contact me. That works. All right, cool. So then I could preview this, and there we go. And I could do a little outline. Look at the outline. Untitled body, untitled section. This is the article title, so that showed up, heading 1, untitled aside. Interesting. So we'll see how we title that stuff later, but kind of cool to start noticing that. All right, so that's the first one, and the next one, and we're looking at this right here. I have a header, nav, section, article, aside, footer. So header, nav, section, article, aside, footer. That puts everything at the same level. Tab, and then header. I could just my header, and nav, my nav, and section, my section, and article, my article, and aside, some advertisement, and footer, my footer. Whatever. There we go. Interesting outline, right? So we're going to work with outlines, and that's coming next. How do we get it to be a little bit more cool? And so I'm going to close these articles. They keep coming up. I just want this. So that was the second one. Here's the third one. Header, nav, section, article, aside, footer. Pretty close. Header, nav, section, article, aside, footer. Header, my nav, my article, my other article, and I think that my aside and footer got in the wrong place. So I don't know. You want to fix that the Emmet way? We'll just hit Command Z, go back, and I need to do this here. Go up a level, and I think that will do it. There we go. So I'll duplicate that, comment it out so you have it. And there we go. My header, my nav, art1, art2, and advertisement and foot. Preview it. Check it out. Beep, 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 beep. Kind of cool. And then we have the last one, which was, wow, header, nav, header, article, header, section, footer, side, all of that. So I'm not going to try to imit all of that, but I'll just do it this way. Header and head or whatever. And then nav with header, nav, header, nav, header, whatever. And then article, header, footer, sections, article, header, and then sections, section, section. I could probably do section times 2. And whoa. And then footer. And footer is at header. These are nested within header. Article has a header. Header has sections. No, they're at the same level as section. And then so that should be right. Boom. Article, art head, art sec 1, art sec 2, and art foot. And then we have an aside with 3 sections. So that's kind of cool right there. Side 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And then we have a footer. Main body foot. Look at that. So you can see we're getting all this untitled stuff. And we didn't get the header and the footer, right? You don't see the header and footer. You have body, nav, article. And we have body, nav, article, no head, right? In the outline. Body, nav, article, section, section, aside, section, section, section. Body, nav, article, section, section, aside, section, section, section. Right? So we'll see how to title those soon with outlines. So that's the 4th one. And we're starting to see how the outline is being produced. And that when we produce this outline, right, header and footer weren't contributing to it, but these other elements were. And so which elements were contributing to it? We've seen this a couple of times, but it's right here. Body, section, article, aside, nav. And these will contribute to H1, H3, H6, the headings. All right, so that's my solution for outlining those deals right there, which are the ones listed down here actually after we've gone through all of that. Outlining those deals right here. All right, cool.